They're all used to make like 3D models and some examples. Yeah. Other examples like using AutoCAD and Tinkercad. So we're using Onshape. We use Onshape because it's a CAD software. It's easy to use and it's also free and it's on the browser.
So what are you making on CAD today?
A box.
Oh, okay. So what tools did you use to make this box?
I use shell.
Break time.
Why are you recording everything?
Break on the first day.
Right? And only even numbers, when you divide by 2, you'll get a remainder of 0. Which means that I is odd, because it has a remainder.
And then after it runs this if loop, it'll go add 1 to I and go all the way back to the beginning of the while loop to run again. And the output will look like this.
So what are you doing?
I'm preparing for day 2.
Italian. L.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with drivetrain. So I covered them a little bit yesterday, but a drivetrain is basically the part of a robot which is about the movement of like the wheels. So this is like a tank drivetrain. So what are you guys building today? Huh? What are you guys working on right now?
Oh, chassis. Putting the motor in the drivetrain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys are working on the rev shaft? So what are you gonna do to connect the bevel gear? What are you gonna connect to the bevel gear?
The motor.
The motor, okay. So what are you guys working on right now?
We're working on a rev shaft.
Okay.
There's positives and negatives in that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm making a name tag and I put Neil, I love food.
Guys, this is back Pictionary, our team building game for today.
Can you feel it?
Did you feel it?
We finished it, yes.
Yeah. I think they're starting on the patience is real. We finished it. Let's call him that.
Editing
Yeah,
the
this
video.
should take the whole hour. I don't know if that's what. Wait, does it take
So what is everyone working on right now?
Everyone is working on their final design challenge.
So we have 2 groups right here.
Do you have more something?
Yes, we do. They're in that bag over there. So, yeah, I think so. So, the goal is to make a stable tower, and we're gonna spin it around to see who is the stablest one. So this team here is going a cross design for their towers.
We don't have any time for that anymore. We're just gonna hope it doesn't fall.
Okay. You guys can still attach it on the other side like this.
Yeah.
That would cover more area and it would be strongly supported. So this team here is doing two towers, two like beams next to each other to make their tower.
Yeah.
And then they have a base which they made.
We're making.
And are improving on. So yeah.
That's two in here. Two to this side. Right, that'll make it more stable.
Oh, we just put that.
Can you help with both?
Okay. Yeah, no.
Because this one wants stable.
Like the screws are too.
Why is mine shaped like a waffle? I didn't want it to be shaped like a waffle. Yeah, it's in the back over there.
Okay, so that's what you see right now in the tomato process. That waffle shape is the infill. Do you guys know what infill is?
What's info?
So when you say you want to print like a cube or something, instead of having just like a block of plastic inside, just like fully filled with plastic, you'll have something like infill, but it'll still keep the structure.
Really expensive.
Yeah, so those are both two ways to outreach. We also do things like teaching and mentoring, which is what we're doing right now in the summer workshops. This counts as an outreach event. What else? Fundraising plus drives. So drives we can do to help the community, not just ourselves. So that means like book drives, clothes drives, or food drives too. I know a lot of teams do that and we used to do that. So overall outreach.
The first idea that we came up with was a fundraiser at Yogurt Land. So basically, we make our own flavor, Tech-A-Trons flavor. And if they refill it with that yogurt flavor, we came up with raspberry. Robo raspberry. Okay. And then when they buy that flavor, a portion of the money goes to us. That's a good idea, right? Okay, so this targets young children.
And
Anyone who goes to yoga.
Okay, what's your second plan?
3D printed
How much? How much? How much? How much?
Zelda.
Yeah, how much?
It depends on how much material you use and how much money you need. And if the popularity of a Lulu grows over the time, if you have to use this idea.
What's your target audience?
People like a Lulu.
Where you from? Where you from? What's your
So there's like this place called like Maker Fair. We can like go there and then set up like a stall for the Evergreen Tech-A-Trons and like promote your game.
What do you do?
Like you can sell stickers there, name tags there, and like bumper stickers. And
We're gonna show our robot and like it doing tasks.
good time with the summer workshop. We hope you guys learned something about FTC, and we hope we inspired you to do more in the future. And you guys can always contact us if you need any help or anything. So as like a reward for finishing the summer workshop, we have a certificate of participation, and we have some bags for you guys, I guess.
Okay, first one is bio low aka.
Feel like, did you guys learn something from this workshop?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah?
definitely.
So what's the interesting, like most liked category, like CAD or building or coding?